Hello everyone. The narrative of a football star Senzo Meyiwa dying in a scuffle between Tumelo and her boyfriend surfaced once again in the Pretoria High Court. Tumelo is the state's third witness and is almost at the end of his testimony. He was among the 6 people who saw Senzo Meyiwa being shot allegedly by intruders at the Foslera's home of his girlfriend Kelly Tumelo. 5 men are accused of the robbery that resulted in Meyiwa's death. It's not the first time that the court has heard how Senzo Meyiwa was allegedly killed in a scuffle between Zandi and her boyfriend Longwe Twala. On Thursday, Advocate Mshololo brought the narrative up again, this time as a claim that Mlungi Sihlope, who was Meyiwa's brother-in-law, he said, "I wanted to get the truth of what exactly happened. Tumelo told me that there was a fight in Kelly's house, Zandi was fighting with her boyfriend and Senzo Meyiwa was trying to separate the two. But Tumelo flatly denied this. He said, "That is a lie. I'm saying everything that has been created here is lies. Maybe as time goes on, witnesses will come to the court to testify about that, but these are lies." Well, we really wish Tumelo can be honest and tell us what exactly happened on that night. At least he must do it for his friend, if not for South Africans. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.